Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Keap for contact import and tagging. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Keap for contact import and tagging, start by logging into your Keap account. Navigate to the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on the settings icon. In the settings menu, locate the API or integration section. Click on API. You will see an option to generate an API key. Click on the button to generate a new API key. Copy this API key to your clipboard. Now, switch to the application or platform from which you want to import contacts. Find the section for integrations or settings within that application. Look for an option to connect or integrate with Keap. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the required field. Follow any additional prompts to complete the connection process. Once connected, return to your Keap dashboard. Go to the Contacts section. Click on the option to import contacts. Select the file you wish to upload. Ensure your file format is compatible with Keap. Follow the on-screen instructions to map your contact fields. Confirm that the data looks correct before moving on. Proceed to finalize the import process. After import, go back to your contacts list. To tag your imported contacts, select the desired group of contacts. Click on the Manage Tags or similar option. Choose the tags you want to apply from the drop-down list. Confirm your selections to apply the tags. Your contacts are now successfully imported and tagged in Keap. Review your contacts to ensure everything is in order. Congratulations, you have authorized Keap for contact import and tagging. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.